The weekly is bullish, it's going up. The daily it's bullish, it's going up. Now, when I see chop like this, right? Now, of course, I can look at the directional bias on the 4 hour time frame and I can start, this helps me. This helps me, makes me understand that look, man, we should be looking for buyers because overall the higher time frames are bullish. Now, a lot of traders would be like, you know what, there's a resistance here. I'm gonna look for a downside move, but of course, that's possible, and there could be a short run move. But I want to think about probabilities being in my favor, and just with this, ticking this off in my mind, and ticking this off in my mind, and ticking this off in my trading plan, I can see, you know what, look, you know what, instead of looking for this little move which could easily just fake me out or just go back up against me and stop me out, I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for that break. I'm gonna wait for that retest. I'm gonna see if price can maintain above this previous resistance which was broken, and I'll look for buys. And ultimately, we can see we're just really just going higher and higher and higher on the 4 hour as well, just to continue the weekly and the daily trend. This makes my life easier, and when I try trade against the weekly and the daily trend overall, I see that I get stopped out more. And if I do take a counter trend trade where the weekly daily is bullish, because you have to remember that can happen, there's certain things that I look for and certain reversal patterns that I look for, and they're the only type of trades which I would take. The weekly time frame is bullish and the daily time frame is bullish. This gives you only indications to look for buys, right? I am a day trader and I look for trades and I hold them for around 7 8 hours, 5 hours, 4 hours sometimes, or maybe over a day sometimes, right? Intra-week moves as well. And for these type of traders, look, man, at the end of the day, I look for trades where the weekly is bullish and the daily is bullish, right? If that is the case, it just makes my life so much easier. It makes my thought process so much easier. At the end of the day, if you look at this, right, if we see